Hello guys! Today I'm going to be showing you one of my recent journals. I call it the spring journal because of the fabric that I used in it. So I didn't do anything to the cover. I like the cover as it is. I only sewn on the edges for a more secure look. And I added the buttons on front and behind to kind of make this closure. I don't know about the ribbons. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this tab, and I just put a charm here, flower charm, because it's a spring journal, so I think that suits it. Okay, so on the inside. Now on the inside, for the inside paper, I used a paper pack, and this is the paper that it had in it. It has some shades of green in it, which I liked, and some writings, vintage writings, so I like this paper. And then this is the first page that have a cute stamp of a bird in a doily, and this is just a stamped paper with some lace. Okay. And this paper I dyed myself and added some lace over here as well. There is a lot of writing spaces in here, stamp. This is an old book page, doily, stamping. Now I intended this journal to be for spring in the way of having, you know how like we go out and we just have these amazing flowers everywhere, smaller flowers or new leaves or wherever, and we just pick them up. I intended this journal to be a place where you can just preserve all of these flowers and leaves and just dry them and put them in here. I think it's gonna be a great idea. So this is a stamp, another stamp. This page, it's just cardstock, green cardstock, and I stamped all over it with fairies and some flowers and stuff like that. And here you can put things in, like so. This is a sewn envelope, so you can put things in here, or you can put things here. Stamp. Now this is an old book page, and this is a doily, and this is just some stickers. This is a picture, and you can tuck things in here. I already have a tag here that have a stamp on it, so you can write things in here as well. And this is just paper that I dyed, washi, and this is just a cute little flip on this paper, so you can write things in here or just kind of secretly hide some pretty flower. So yeah, a lot of spaces to put pictures, write, or just as I said, put dried plants in here. And this is the middle, the center. This is an envelope. You can just put things in here as well, like so, or hide some plants in here. And this is just some of the fabric that was left out of the cover, and this is a text. Doily, this is also this is just a stamp paper that I burned. Okay, so you can take this out, right? And this is just pattern paper that you can tuck things inside, like so. Okay. This is an envelope. Okay, so this is an envelope and you can tuck things in. So something like this. Or you can hide the dried flowers in here and you can write about it down there. Okay. And a lot of different spaces for you to write in. So this is just a collage of ephemeras. This is just flips open, so you can write something in here and glue the dried flowers here. This is also flipped. This is an envelope, so you can put things in here or just tuck things in here. So lots of space to do lots of things. This is the same pattern paper that I stamped. And this is just a cute ladybug with a leaf stamp. This is a page that I stamped with the music stamps and collaged. So here you can tuck things in. And this is just a collage. It says Vintage Garden. And this is also some place to put things if you want, like this. Or you can put things in here. Doily. And this is also a belly band. You can tuck things in here. And this is stamped. And the back. So this is the same page that I stamped. And this is just some lace. Okay? And that is it. So this is my spring journal. I hope you like this. If you would like to see me do fabric journal, let me know. If you like this or you would like to add things into this, also let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for joining me today. Bye!